Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share keto Christmas recipe inspiration with you. I've written a full blog post on my blog with 35 keto recipes to cover you every course, every taste, all your macros, whatever you want. I'll leave that link down below with 35 keto Christmas recipes, but I thought I'd just chat you through some of my favorite in this video, and I'd also like to hear from you what is going to be on your keto Christmas menu this year. So for appetizers, you can't go past baked brie. I love baked brie. Garlic baked brie with sage. It's just absolutely delicious and a crowd pleaser. And for those that aren't on keto, you can serve some crackers on the side or some veggies for dipping into, although I quite enjoy having it by the spoonful myself. You could also make a soup for an appetizer. If it's a bit of a chilly day, make some soup and maybe pass around cups of soup, little mugs of soup, instead of formally sitting at a table. You could have appetizers on the go just like that, and my broccoli cheese soup always goes down a treat. For mains, you could definitely opt for your turkey or ham, whatever meat you like, or a roast of some description, or you could go for a chicken bake or chicken tray bake I shared the other day, or perhaps you might be inspired by Irish traditional corned beef and cabbage, which is absolutely delicious and filling and very celebratory in my opinion. For keto sides, you are spoilt for choice. You can make any kind of cauliflower mash, cheesy cauliflower mash with leeks, cauliflower mash with a bit of cream cheese, whatever you like. Cauliflower mash is a really easy go-to side. Or there's cauliflower rice. I've shared a recipe for turmeric cauliflower rice in the past. There are so many delicious cauliflower rice options that you can enjoy on the side. Or of course there's creamed spinach. It's really easy to have creamed spinach on keto. You just cook up some spinach and add some mascarpone or cream, and you've got a beautiful green dish to serve on the side. And for dessert, why not make chocolate cheesecake brownies? They always are a hit with everyone who's tried them. Or you could make a mousse, a raspberry mousse speckled with more raspberries to have that beautiful red and white colors. Or if you want to make a cake, why not make lemon ricotta cake, which is really easy to make and there's only a few ingredients, and it's a perfect make ahead Christmas dessert. And you can still enjoy truffles. There's low carb truffles that you can make that are rich and decadent and just beautifully chocolatey. And finally, keto cookies. You can make Christmas cookies with just almond butter, egg, a bit of stevia, and you can cook them together and maybe serve them with a bit of maple frosting or your frosting of choice that's keto friendly, if that's what you would like it to do. So those are my favorite go-to keto Christmas recipes. Remember to check down below for a link to the blog post with 35 keto Christmas recipes, so you will have everything covered. No stress, you can plan ahead, get your menu organized ahead of time. And also leave a comment, let me know your go-to keto Christmas menu, what's going to be on your menu this year. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe for more videos and leave a like too. I really appreciate your interaction on my videos. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!